So in this module, we are continuing the slope of tangent and normal. So here in this question, the question is find a point on the curve y equal to x minus 2 bracket square at which tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Tangent is parallel to the chord joining 2, 0 and 4, 4. So as in the case here, to find the point on the curve, the tangent is parallel means, so we know that slope of parallel lines are equal. So here the chord joining 2 points means using 2-point form, so we have to find the slope of the line. So that is slope of chord. So using y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, so it will gives the slope of the chord joining 2 points, and we have to make that equal to dy by dx equal to x minus 2 bracket square. So therefore, here given function is y equal to x minus 2 bracket square, differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x minus 2 bracket square. So since it is composite function, therefore this equal to 2 into x minus 2 raised to 1. So n x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of x minus 2 is again this equal to 1. Therefore this equal to 2 into x minus 2. So therefore here the slope is equal to the slope is parallel to the chord joining this one. So therefore, given that the slope is parallel to line joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Therefore, therefore the slope of the chord is therefore the slope of chord is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this equal to m. This equal to, so the point is here 2, 0 and 4, 4. Point is 2, 0 and 4, 4. Therefore, using these 2 points, so consider x1, y1. So that is x1, y1, x2, y2. So therefore, this equal to 4 y2 minus y1, 4 minus 0. This divided by 4 minus 2, that is 4 upon 2. This equal to 2. So therefore, this equal to, therefore slope of tangent is, so that is dy by dx, that is m equal to 2 into x minus 2. So therefore m is here is equal to 2. So therefore 2 equal to, so this value 2 equal to 2 into x minus 2. Therefore, so this 2 get cancels, this equal to 1 equal to x minus 2. Therefore, x equal to 3. X equal to 3 is the point. So that is x equal to 3 is the point. So here so here we are going to find the point. So therefore, to find the tangent point, so here in this case, so here x equal to 3. So therefore, we have to find the corresponding value of y. So therefore, to find value of y, so put, so that value x equal to in this function, that is called, this becomes, therefore given equation becomes, therefore given equation becomes, so that is y equal to x minus 2 bracket square, therefore 3 minus 2 bracket square, this equal to 1. Therefore x comma y is equal to 3 comma 1 is the answer. So next question is, find the point on the curve y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y equal to x minus 11. So to find this, again we have to apply the same rule, that is, first find the derivative of this one. Tangent is parallel to which is the point on the curve at which the tangent is y equal to x minus 1. So tangent is given here, equation of tangent is given. So therefore, if it is the given curve, then so let us consider this is the equation of tangent y equal to x minus 11. So this point, we have to find this point, that is x comma y. So to find this one, differentiate, and the equation of tangent is given means the slope of the tangent we can easily know with this equation, that is this one is the of the form y equal to mx plus c. So therefore here m equal to 1. So therefore taking m equal to 1 and dy by dx, substitute in this equation, that is y equal y dy by dx of this function. So first write given function y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 11, so this equal to 0. The tangent, equation of tangent is given, that is equation of line is given here. So equation of tangent is y equal to x minus 11. Therefore, it is of the form y equal to mx plus c. So m is equal to here y equal to x minus 11. So therefore coefficient of x, that is m, that is equal to 1 here. This implies m equal to 1. So therefore substitute this equal to 1 here. So therefore slope of tangent is, that is m equal to dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 11. Therefore here m is equal to 1 equal to 3x square minus 11. Therefore 3x square equal to 12, x square equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. So that is x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2. There are two values. We have to find the corresponding values of y. So therefore we have to put x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 in this equation. So that is, so in this equation we have to substitute the x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. So therefore y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 becomes, that is for x equal to 2. Therefore y equal to 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5, this equal to 8 plus 5 13, 13 minus 22, that is equal to 9. So therefore this is 1.2 comma 9. And similarly for y equal to minus 2, therefore y equal to minus 2 cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. So therefore this is plus 22, 27 minus 8, minus 8 plus 27, this equal to 19. Therefore this is minus, for this is for x equal to minus 2 comma 19. Therefore the points are, 2 comma 9 and minus 2 comma 19. These are the 2 points.